Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope you are all on behalf of Master BD. Best and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video must place text in columns and tips and tricks and English. Okay, I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say to those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share in another friend circle. Your great motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. The viewers, place text in column and tips and tricks. Okay, tips for using Microsoft Word and should help you get the most of the top bottom. Okay, that helps you create a beautiful readable documents that look great. Okay, this is the and home, then insert, home, insert, page, layout, reference, my link and review, view, ads in. Then basically my video is columns. Okay, my video is columns and tips and tricks. This columns and 1, 2, 3 left, right and more column. Okay, this is the your chosen option. Okay, your choice option. By using column layouts, you can arrange text and margin style layout. Then follow this Word document tricks, and if you need the layout, like it. Okay, to add column 2 or 3, then 3. Okay, this is the 3 column added. Okay, 3 column added. You place any document and any paragraph and any paragraph. This is the any cursor of any paragraph. Your any paragraph in Control C, then Control Tab, then any paragraph. Then any paragraph, this is the your option is the third. It basically is most of the cases and the 3 column. This is the 3 columns. Okay, this is the 3 column. Then Control C, then and cursor option, then 3 option. Okay, 3 document file. Okay, this is the your option is 3 column. Okay, this is the 3 column. The return the layout tab the ribbon near the left right side. Okay, left right side, left or right, then left or right. Okay, you can any option and choose. Then again 3 option is column in run and time. This is the okay. Then you will see will display series and prospect design. You can add the single column. This is the remove all the document file is single column. Okay, is the single column. Then the this side, the right side and the blank. Okay, blank. Then need more control, click more column, more column. Okay, this is the more columns you choose, and any column in red side and white and space, then left and right line between any selected document file is the your okay. Then the number of column is space. You can also control white space and more. The you can finish the click and okay. This is the control or 2 or 3, then left and right. Okay, this is the control okay. There, then you make a edit, click, picture and on revoke, and you can array and style size and layout effects, plus and move to the image around the clicking and dragging, plus and corner and help to the resize and is photo. This is the any size of picture, then insert, then picture, then any picture added side and automatically your picture is added. Okay, this is a picture. All remove and round the move to the round. Okay, remove to the round. Then your case and option, third option, your text document and throw. You throw you move to the any document file, any cursor here, any right, and or text document in font of size, in any font of size. Okay, this is the picture is added, then picture is added any cost of the file, then you picture the most agent and the billable and in this video. Okay, so friends, no more today. Those who are still subscribed to my channel, please very quickly subscribe, and the next video inshallah amazing, the stay with me and kind of new video inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.